Hey guys, today I have a tutorial for you that is beginner friendly and I'm going to be using all of my favorite affordable makeup products. I picked up some of my faves from Essence and Catrice and I'll be using these products to show you my go-to affordable makeup beat. Okay, so starting off with a nice blank canvas, all I have on is primer and my foundation, and I'm going to show you the most important step of my makeup routine. I don't know about you, but brows are so important to me. Essence has a great brow gel. It's called the Essence Lash and Brow, and I love this stuff because it's clear and it dries super quick. This is what we're going to be using as our first step to our brows, just to brush them into place and put them where we want them to stay all day. And then to fill in our brows, I'm going to be using another Essence product, and this is the brow pomade. And this is super cool because it comes with a brush and it's just smaller than normal, so it's less intimidating. And I genuinely think that Essence has some of my favorite brow products because of how affordable they are and just because the application is so easy. So this is a 2-in-1, has a brush at the top and the pomade at the bottom, and I'm in love. So all you really do with this product is you take the pomade out at the bottom, and then the top has your brush attached to the actual pen. So it is so easy, literally you dip and you draw. That's it. Follow the hair on your brow and you just make hair-like strokes all the way. And then just to finish off this brow, all you'll do is clean up the bottom with the concealer of your choice, and this makes it super easy for you to just get right underneath and clean up that brow. I want to show you how to make your skin not only glow but pop as well. You're gonna take whichever setting spray you like and you're gonna spray down your face, and then you're gonna take your sponge and basically push the product into your skin. And while that setting spray is still fresh on your face, you're going to take your highlighter. I'm going to be using the Catrice Luminice Highlight and Bronze Glow Palette. There are 3 shades in this palette, but because I'm deeper in complexion, I'm going to be using these 2. Putting a powder on top of a powder doesn't really do anything, but when you put a powder on like a damp or wet surface, especially if it's like glowy, it pops. It pops, okay? And apply. And I don't know, that just gives a beautiful glow, like especially if you turn towards like light or the sun, it's stunning. And just to kind of take that powderiness away, because even if it's highlight, it is still powder, I'm going to take that same beauty sponge, no product, nothing. It does still have the setting spray, and I'm just going to push that in. And what I also like to do is just dust a little bit of highlights on my brow bone. And then my favorite part of my face to highlight is my nose, and I'm going to use this to create my button nose. So dipping back into these 2 shades, a little more of this than that, and I'm going to take this brush and basically highlight my nose and a little bit of my bridge, and that's kind of just going to give me that button nose effect. And then just to bring out my eyes a little bit, I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to put it right here in the tear duct area of my eyes, and that's just going to give a little more focus to my eyes. And talking about my eyes, I do just want to, add a little more dip to my eyes, and I'm going to use a wing line to do that. And I'm going to be using an Essence liquid liner for this. Essence has the best liquid liners I have tried, and one that is super affordable and popular is the Essence liquid ink eyeliner. So how to make it really easy for a beginner to get the wing line right is to stretch the skin. So I'm going to take my finger, just place it on the corner of my eye, stretch my eye, lift my brow, and I've got all that space. I can see exactly what's going on. So let's get applying. And for the flick of the line, I'm still going to stretch out my skin, but I'm going to point my brush the other way around. So just like that, and then point it this way instead of that way. And there you go. And then because I was touching my face, I do want to get rid of any fingerprints if I put any there. Just take your sponge and just dab on there, like pretty much gone. And basically I'm going to do that on the other side as well. That's how simple and easy a wing line can be. And then just to wrap up the look, I'm going to move on to my lips, and I want to do a very beautiful nude lip. And just to start it off, I obviously have some products on my lips because I've been doing my makeup. So you're gonna take a tissue and just wipe down your lips, and then I'm going to use a lip liner just to outline my lips. So a lip liner can kind of define your lips and make it easier to wear lighter colors if you are deeper in complexion like me, and also if you are trying to plump your lips. Lip liner is literally lip filler for like 1/10 of the price. I'm going to be using this one from Catrice, the Catrice Plumping Lip Liner, and I have it in the shade Starring Roll. I'm going to take this and just line my lip. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the Catrice lipstick. It is the Full Satin Nude, and it's in the shade 030. So now all I'm really gonna do is top off this lip with some lip gloss. You can leave it satin if you want to, but I love a glossy nude lip. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then catch more of these easy makeup looks right here on Beauty Base.